Love is always patient and kind. It is never jealous. Love is never boastful nor conceited. It is never rude or selfish. It does not take offense and is not resentful.
Me sick. I hate everything that you've become. We never should have started this dating thing.
Won't be so easy this time to hurt me. You can try. This time, no baby, there are no tears left here to dry. If you think you can wound me like before, if you think you can do that anymore, won't get too far, no. You can't break a broken heart.